How to find Cash App barcode to deposit paper money. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find Cash App's barcode to deposit paper money. So let's just get started. First, open up your Cash App. After you open your Cash App, you'll need to scroll down. After you scroll down, you will find an option called More Ways to Add Money. Now, this feature might not be available for everyone, so make sure that it is available to you. You can just contact support of Cash App and they will, make sure that it's available for you. And after you do that, this paper money will be added to your more ways to add money. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will get redirected to a map. Now, on the map, you'll need to select a location where you can make the transaction. After you do that, what you can do is just barcode will be presented to you. Now, the catch is the barcode will only be the barcode will only be available till 15 minutes of you getting the barcode, so make sure that you are near the location already. So here, as you can see, it will take $1 fee per transaction, and there is only a limit of one transaction per barcode. So you also need minimum of $5 to deposit, and deposit up to $500 per transaction, $1,000 in a 7-day window, or $4,000 every 30 days. So those are the limits, and this is basically how you get the barcode too. And that's all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, leave a like down below.